Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. We are doing science with this book, Link with Science by Feathercap. And today we will start chapter number 6. And what is the title says? It says our body. So interesting. We will learn about some facts and some important things about our own body here. So let's start. Write the correct matching number below each picture. So here, this first picture shows kidneys with ureters and urinary bladder and urinary opening. So this is the excretory system through which we excrete out all the waste from the body. Now this system shows mouth, then a long pipe called as food pipe, then stomach and intestine. So this is the digestive system. Now this picture shows something coming from the nose, then something coming from the mouth, and together it is forming one tube called as windpipe, then lungs and rest of the structure. The lungs are used for respiration. So breathing system. It is breathing system, and this system shows heart with many nerves and very many blood vessels coming out of it, and it is running throughout the body. So it is circulatory system, that is one. Okay. So now let's start the chapter. Like a machine, human body can also do so many things at a time. It can eat, it can drink, grow and reproduce. All these things can a human body can do. It can breathe, it can move, see, hear, smell, taste and touch. How is it possible? It is possible because human body has many systems which work together. Means whenever my excretory system is working, my digestive system is also working at the same time. My respiratory system is also working. When you are eating food, that means your digestion is happening. Continuously you are breathing and blood to never flows. It never stops. It always flows 24/7. So now each system has a special structure and it is associated with one special function also. It consists of many organs. Each organ is made up of special tissues. So cells combine to form tissue, tissues combine to form organs, and organ combine to form such systems. Okay, and all system together make the body. This is how it happens. Okay, so each tissue again is made up of many organ is made up of into special tissues. So now these tissues are made up of cells that are specialized to do a similar job. Cell is the smallest working unit of the body machine. Means if we talk about our body, cell is the smallest building block or fundamental unit of structure and function. Now sense organs. The organ which help us to know about the world around us are called as sense. Means the organs that help us to sense the world are called as sense organs. So we have 5: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste and skin help us to feel. Okay. So we can feel the environment. We can taste something that is going inside us. We can hear things around us. We can see things around us. So these are the 5 sense organs. Okay. The sense organs sense various stimuli. Stimuli is something that is change in the environment. If I am seeing fire somewhere, so that fire is the stimuli and I will respond immediately. And from which organ that stimuli is getting inside my body? From eyes only. Such as light, sound, smell, taste, sensation, etc. and send them as signal to the brain, and then brain tells us what our body has to do in that situation. In turn, brain sends the message to these sense organs to respond to the stimuli. Now organ systems. So we have different organ system. One is skeletal system, means that forms the framework of the body. One is muscular system, all muscles and their work. Circulatory system, heart and blood vessels that export and transport the things inside the body. Respiratory system that help us to breathe. Digestive system that help us to digest the food and give out the waste material. Excretory system, the urinary system through which we excrete out the urine. Reproductive system, that helps our body to produce another similar kind of organisms, and nervous system associated with brain and spinal cord. So skeletal system, first one, all the 206 bones of human body are joined together to form a framework. All bones form a framework that gives the basic body design of the human beings. This framework is the skeletal system. This system makes our body strong. It gives our body form, shape and support. It protects our internal organs. Means bones are what? They are hard, solid, rigid structures that help our body to get protection for the internal organs. Now muscular system. Muscles are made up of tissues. There are more than 600 muscles in the human body. So many muscles are there. Main function of muscle is to help in movement. Expansion of the muscles and contraction of the muscles help in the movement of the body. Human body has strong muscular system. Muscles are always joined with the bones to work. Bones and muscles work together to move in walking, running, sitting, bending, standing, everything. You can move your neck, head, chest, belly and other parts with the help of bones and muscles together. The strongest muscle is of heart because it beats continuously every single minute, every single second throughout your life. It never takes rest until unless we are alive. Circulatory system. So this is skeletal, this is muscular, this is circulatory. Heart and blood vessels together like veins and arteries work as a system that transport nutrients and gases throughout the body cells. Now heart pumps the blood to various parts of the body. It goes through arteries and returns through the veins. Generally arteries carry pure blood always, or there is one exception only. Veins carry impure blood. Blood carries oxygen and food to all parts of the body. So once anything reaches till blood, it is a mandate thing that it will reach to each and every cell of your body. Now breathing system or respiratory system. Nose, this is windpipe, and lungs make breathing system. This system supplies oxygen because we need oxygen for our survival and we give off carbon dioxide. So it supplies oxygen to all body part. Again oxygen reaches blood and then blood takes the oxygen to each and every cell. This work is done through the blood. Same thing. The oxygen is used to burn the food to give us energy to work and play. Once the oxygen and food combines, then only the energy is released. Now we should breathe through nose but not through the mouth. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, that is a waste. We have two lungs. Blood is purified in the lungs. Means we always give our carbon dioxide to the lungs to exhale out, and we take in oxygen that is blended or get mixed with the blood through lungs only. Now digestive system. We need food to grow, work and play. Digestion means to break the food into soluble form. The teeth chew it and saliva mixes it with it to make it soft. So once you have entered the food into your mouth, then you start chewing it with the teeth. Later on, the tongue helps to mix the food, chewed food with the saliva to make it soft to get it swallowed. Now digestive juices from stomach and from pancreas and from liver are soluble. The blood takes up the digested food into the intestine. When it reaches the intestine, all the digested food are absorbed by the body cells and it carries it into different parts. Again, how? Because the nutrients have been sent to the blood. Now blood will take care of the next process. The undigested food is passed out of the body through the anus. Okay. Now excretory system. During digestion of food and working of the body, some liquid waste material is formed. During all the metabolic processes that are taking place in the body, some liquid material, waste material is also produced. It is harmful and removed from the body. It needs to be removed. Now body has two kidneys, means one pair. They filter or excrete the waste in the form of urine from the blood. So they filter the blood, and what is the waste there? Urine. Now lungs and skin also throw out waste in the form of carbon dioxide that we are giving off is again a waste to our body, and skin gives the sweat. Now reproductive system. This system produces babies only to enable human life to go on in this world. For the continuation of the life on earth, reproductive system is important. Now, what is nervous system? This system consists of brain with a spinal cord and nerves. Okay, so this is the brain. This long rod is the spinal cord that extends from the behind of the brain, means last part of the brain, and the spinal cord is protected within the backbone, and all the nerves that has been reached to every sense organ, effector, receptor, every organ. The nervous system controls all our actions like seeing, hearing, walking, learning, dreaming even is controlled by the nervous system. Okay, now, so this is the crossword that you have to do. Let's start. Red liquid in the body is blood. This is blood. We breathe in through this. 5. Where is 5? Nose. Carry blood from heart to different parts of the body. 6. Artery. Arteries. One of the organ of the respiratory system. 8. Lungs. Oh, sorry. G. Lungs. Bean-shaped organ, kidneys. That is kidney. It controls the body, brain. Where is it? Brain. The center of the circulatory system, heart. 4. Heart. And it throws out sweat from the body, skin. Skin. Okay. So these are the points. This was a very easy crossword. You can do it again on your own without looking back in the chapter. Let's start the questions. So competency-based questions. Look at the given classification table. Which of the following can X be? X, body systems, lung and nose, respiratory one. And food pipe, along with food pipe, can be small intestine. So this can be small intestine. Because small intestine is a part of digestive system. Now match the following. Excretory system, kidneys, digestive system, can be liver, nervous with brain, circulatory heart, skeletal system, bones. So let's first just meet them. Excretory system, kidney. So A says 1. A says 1 in 2 options. Digestive system with liver can be there, liver. So B3 in both. Nervous system with brain, 4. So C4. So this is the correct option. Let's see the rest 2 options. D, circulatory system, heart. D, 2. Circulatory system can be blood also. Yes, not wrong. A with 2 blood, no. Okay, circulatory system with blood. It is right with heart as well. So let's just remove it. And skeletal system, bones. This is correct. Now it is correct. Okay. Now objective questions. Choose the correct answer. Dash is a part of excretory system. Kidney, heart or stomach? Kidney. The smallest part of our body is called, smallest part is cell. Cell. All the bones in our body together form the skeletal system. Dash pumps the blood to various parts, heart. The nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Cell is the smallest unit of body. Smallest. All systems are controlled by the brain. Man has 5 sense organs. Main function of the muscle is movement. Movement. Dash carry impure blood. Veins. Veins carry impure blood. Put tick and cross for true and false statements. A system is made up of many organs. Yes. Skeletal system gives shape to our body. Yes. Nervous system supply oxygen to the body? No. Circulatory system do, and together with respiratory system. Circulatory system gives message to the brain? No. The functions are interchanged. The skin does not feel hot. No, it feels odd. Circle the odd one out. So this is your homework question. You can right now can do it on your own. First one I will do it. Food pipe, lungs, stomach and large intestine. Lungs, because lungs is a part of respiratory system, while the three rest options are the part of digestive system. Now subjective questions. Answer the following. Name a single organ that controls all the systems and organ. Brain. Which system gives shape to the body? Skeletal system. What is the function of breathing system? To take in oxygen from the air, give it to blood so that each and every cell of the body can get the good blood or good oxygen. And the waste is produced in the form of carbon dioxide that has been taken again by the blood. It reaches the lungs to get it exhaled by the body. What is the function of kidney? Filtration of blood so that urine, a liquid waste from the body, can be excreted out. Now, what is an excretory system? The system of organs together like kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra or urinary opening together forms a system so that the waste from the body can be removed out. Name two excretory organ, kidney and urinary bladder. Write all organ system of the body. Okay, let's start. Nervous system, digestive system, reproductive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and what else? Muscular system, skeletal system. What do bones and muscle do together? They help in movement together by contraction and expansion of the muscles. What is digestion? It is a process in which complex food material is broken down into smaller particles so that they can be easily absorbed by the body. Explain the function of the organ of the digestive system. Mouth is used to take in the food. Then teeth are helping the food to get chewed down. Tongue is helping to get mixed with the saliva so that it can become soft and can be easily swallowed. Later on, it will reach to the food pipe. It will pass and go to the stomach. Stomach help in partial digestion of the food. Then it goes to the small intestine and intestine where the digested food is absorbed. Later on, all the waste product that is left behind is excreted through the anus. So this is the chapter our body. Okay. So this is all for now. We will meet in another session of science. Till then, keep learning, students. Happy learning.